Hello, in this video we are going to learn how to customize the PDF. So you might have observed that over here inside various permissions there is one receive PDF permission. Now you must be wondering what is the PDF like? How does it look? How can I see it? So after you enable this receive PDF permission, you click on save. What you can do is you can go to the settings. Here you can click on customize PDF. So this is our PDF editor. What you can do is you can add various fields over here. You can add, let us say, a header. You can type out whatever you want. You can also add different fonts over here. You can add different merge tags. This will come from the form that the people are filling. So let us say you have what is the purchase request about as the question. So you can just add that over here, and whatever answer is being filled by the person will come up over here. That is how you can use the editor. You can always do various types of formatting, and you can customize the PDF as per your needs. Once it is done, you can click on save, and that is how the PDF will be customized. Thanks a lot.